Welcome to this Introduction to the Library tutorial. To begin, I'd like to give you a tour of the library's website. To get to the library's homepage, you can simply type in library.frontier.edu into your web browser, or you can navigate to it from the Banyan Tree portal. On the homepage, we have tried to provide quick access to all of our most popular resources, but you can navigate to specific parts of the library's website using the left-sided navigation. At the top is a search box, and we will come back to that in a moment when I show you how to do a basic EBSCO discovery search. On the right-hand side, you can see the quick link section, which highlights a variety of useful resources, including the APA Style Manual and the APA Writing Info Guide. In the center, you will find the most commonly used databases linked, such as Medline and CINAHL Ultimate. Further down the page, you will find the links to the common reference tools like UpToDate and DynFin. There's even a link to your course readings, in case you want to check them out outside of your course in Canvas. Finally, we have the ever-important contact box where you can find out how to call, email, or set up an appointment with the reference librarians. Now I'm going to show you how to do a very basic search in something called the EBSCO Discovery Search. You can start typing keywords into the search box, or you can click into the EBSCO Discovery Search here. So for example, let's say you're in the mental health track and you've been asked to find and analyze a peer-reviewed article published in the past 5 years, and the article needs to be on the risks and benefits of hallucinogenic therapy for depression. You can type some keywords into the box and hit search. EBSCO will pull results from all of the full-text databases we have access to here at Frontier. The advantage of the EBSCO Discovery Search is that it is very simple, but one of its drawbacks is that it's very broad and can provide you with an overwhelming number of results. There are ways to quickly limit your results. At the top, you will find the peer-reviewed filter and the publication date filter. A new feature of EBSCO Discovery Search is the natural language search, which you can turn on with this toggle switch. The natural language search will allow you to ask questions to the database in a similar fashion as you would talk to an AI model like ChatGPT. You can change your question easily by taking the suggested questions from EBSCO and continuing to refine your question until you get results you like. The benefits of using the natural language search in EBSCO over something like ChatGPT is that the EBSCO Discovery Search is a closed silo of information. It's not searching across the entire internet. It's just searching the EBSCO databases that we have access to. So you can control the quality of the articles a little better than if you're just doing a general internet search. Once you find a result you like, you can check the access options to see if we have the full text, or you can order it through Interlibrary alone, at no cost to you. You can also use the Quick Cite function located underneath Tools to format a draft of the citation in APA 7th edition. Be sure to always proofread any citations you get from a Quick Cite tool against the APA manual. Hopefully this brief introduction has helped you get a feel for the library's website and given you the confidence to try EBSCO Discovery. Check out our help section for more of our library tutorials. Thanks!